Hi everyone, welcome to Tuva Labs. In the previous video we went over how to use dividers to divide a group into buckets. Today I want to show you how to use the dividers to find what is typical or average for a group. We'll explore this in the context of data about dog breeds. Let's start by dragging the maximum weight attribute over to the horizontal axis. Notice that the axis now shows maximum dog weight in pounds. So, what is the typical weight of this group of dogs? Let's click on dividers and also percent. The typical weight can be found by locating the central clump. We can move the dividers and place them where most of the dog weights seem to be clustered. Notice that 4.1% of the dogs weigh between 0 and about 10 pounds. 79.7% of the dogs weigh between about 10 pounds and somewhere about 90 pounds. And 16.2% of the dogs weigh between about 90 pounds and 220 pounds. Notice that the central clump doesn't always have to be in the center of the graph. Also, a cluster is a central clump if about 50% of the cases fall into it, and if the cluster is right in the middle, meaning that roughly 25% of the cases are below the range and 25% of the cases are above the range. So to find the cluster, we're going to have to move the dividers again. Notice that 24.9% of the dogs weigh between 0 and about 22 pounds. 50.3% of the dogs weigh between about 22 pounds, 21 pounds, up to about 78 pounds. And 24.9% of the dogs weigh between 79 and up to 220 pounds. Finding the cluster is considered the most impartial method for finding out what is typical. Thank you for watching.